Hi, hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Friends, in this video, we are going to show you new trending high neck blouse design for silk saree ideas. So please watch the video till end. Friends, today high neck blouse are in new trend. This kind of high neck blouse are popular one in Indian traditional women. If you are interested in high neck blouse design, this video helpful to you find out the best high neck blouse design for your silk saree. High neck blouse design can be perfect suitable for various body type women. Friends, high neck blouse exude elegance and charm, enhancing your overall look. Whether you are going to attend a wedding or festive celebration, this kind of high neck blouse design will make you the beauty and style. These kind of high neck blouse designs are timeless fashion. High neck blouse with silk saree design can make a lasting impression. High neck blouse with heat hole design is a stunning blend of elegant and modern style. This kind of high neck blouse with heat hole neckline add a touch of allure and sophisticated appeal. This kind of high neck blouse with silk saree, a captivating blend of tradition and contemporary style. This kind of combination to complement the elegance of a silk saree. High neck with silk saree, intricate details, it exudes a modern style that is perfect for special occasion. These sarees. These kind of high neck blouse make enhance the beauty of silk saree. Friends, the high neck designer done with a awesome pattern on the front and top portion. High neck blouse with sleeveless hat. It also comfortable to wear. This kind of particular blouse design will be followed for year and year. But designer will be making high neck blouse, and for this kind of particular design is the best high neck blouse design for all time. This kind of high neck blouse is suitable for wearing with a silk sarees. Neck blouse with net material towards the neck. This pattern on this blouse can be said to be one of the good looking high neck blouse pattern which almost everyone will love. The high neck with net design is beautiful and almost everyone will fall in love with this kind of particular design. Hence, the high neck design blouse is somehow different from other blouse. The print and multiple attachment make this blouse different from others. The small intricate patterns done on it are very beautiful. The another one of the best high neck blouse design with full sleeve that can be spotted almost everywhere you go. For the classy look, dropping a saree with high neck blouse is something you can do. The best choice if you are willing to carry a full neck blouse design. It is one of the best looking design of all times. This kind of design is alluring and one will be satisfied with this blouse's unique features. Friends, closed neck sleeveless blouse is one of the best if you are going for a designer blouse in this summer. This blouse design is stylish and comfortable simultaneously, and we will appreciate you for effectively spotting this designer item. I hope you guys are love this video. If you like this video, please do like, comments and share it to your friends and family. Friends, please click subscribe button and along with the bell icon for immediate notification. Thank you friends and keep watching.